Hey, how's it going? So this is Steve. Got some parts here for my 91 Foxbody. Ordered some stuff from Late Model Restoration. Got it running about 3 days ago, so I'm looking forward to getting it back on the road and driving it. It hasn't been on the road for about 5 years, so of course there are some things that have gone out on it. So like I said, I ordered some goodies from Late Model Restoration. So let's see what I got. Alright. So I got a replacement fan. It's a new factory replacement fan and fan clutch. I have a flex fan on it mounted solid right now, and I just decided to go back with this just because. Alright, so there's the fan and spacer. I also got a new clutch, fan clutch for it. You know, these are just service items that I feel like would be best to just go ahead and replace them. It comes with should come with new bolts and washers and everything. So there's that. Then I also got new silicone radiator hoses. They've never been replaced that I'm aware of. My wife bought the car in '93 and it's a '91, so we've had it for most of its life. There are my bolts for the fan and clutch, and then new hose clamps for everything as well. And then I also bought a new alternator. The one that's on it's not putting out. That's one thing I discovered when I did get it running. It's pouring here, and of course FedEx decided to put the plastic bag on this box but not on the electrical component, so that's awesome. It should be okay. I did go ahead and get the wiring harness and everything. It's a 200 amp alternator. I plan on having a small stereo in it, as well as possibly going with electric fans later on. So I thought that maybe the extra amperage would be useful for that. So I'm going to be doing a lot of work to this Mustang over the next few months. I've got a new AOD from Jegs to put in it, as well as a higher stall torque converter. I've got all new rubber gaskets for around the doors and everything. I've got new lock actuators and window motors for it, and we'll be putting, like I said, a small stereo in it. So just stay tuned to see all the updates that are coming up, and I appreciate it. Thanks.